could get my house clean with mainly using Dollar Tree products? Let's see.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong.
Today's video is a Dollar Tree product challenge. So actually I never got to the Pine Glow, but I did use the Comet, the Fabuloso Complete, and the Lysol. Hey friends, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. On my channel you will find lots of cleaning motivation, home decor, recipes, things of that sort. So if that sounds good, make sure you click that red subscribe button below.
You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy.
These pink cleaning gloves were also purchased from the Dollar Tree, along with the spray bottle that I'm using, and I just poured in that Fabuloso Complete in there.
Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being.
You guys have no idea how geeked I was that I was finally able to spell out the word hi, much better than that fail I had in my last video.
All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you.
I just wanted to do this Dollar Tree product challenge because I feel like there's a misconception out there that you have to buy all the expensive products in order for your home to be clean, and that's just simply not true. I love Mrs. Meyer's just as much as the next girl, but you know, if you're on a budget or you know, looking for ways to cut back, especially around the holiday season, then you can, you know, spend a fraction of the cost and still get a clean home.
It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
Do you guys ever shop at the Dollar Tree? And if you do you ever think about getting cleaning products or sponges or scrub brushes from there?
I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
Yeah, not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said, just a one-time thing. It won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe.
So I know they say you should not mix more than one product at the same time, but I've been doing this a long time and I haven't died yet. So are you guys rule breakers or followers? Let me know down below.
Yeah, how did we end up at this place? So much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that. Please wake me up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even.
And I use that Lysol toilet bowl cleaner for this. I've never used it before, but it actually smells like peppermint, so it's a really like nice, refreshing scent.
For me, lost for you, lost for you, lost for you, win for me, lost for you, win for me, yeah, lost for you, win for me, lost for you, lost for you. All I can do now is drink, yeah. Cause I don't wanna remember you. Oh no. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies?
I didn't mention this earlier, but the paper towels that I'm using throughout the video are also from the Dollar Tree.
See it in your eyes, you don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it.
So I honestly do not like washing dishes by hand, but I didn't have a whole lot to do, so I figured it made more sense to just wash them by hand instead of putting them in the dishwasher.
I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew.
Also, a little hack that I do, I wash all the dishes, I put them on one side of the sink, and I don't rinse them off until I'm all done, and then I rinse them all off at once, and then you'll see later on when I have the silverware, I put them in one cup and rinse them all at the same time. Now, I don't know if that's genius or if that's lazy, but either way, it works.
Get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I can't believe you're here. Can't get any words, no. If you let me hear you say my name, my name.
You guys, this is a brand new vacuum. I had to get a new one because my last one just completely went kaput on me. I had it for 4 years, so it did serve me well, but I'm super excited. This one right here is a Shark Navigator lift away, but it's especially made for pets. Now, I don't have any pets, but I just figured, for one, it was on sale, and two, if it's good for pets, it got to be just good for just like regular dirt, right?
Let's find a way to start again. Oh yeah, 'cause I wanna work things out. Yeah. I just wanna fall into your arms. Come on and fall in love with me. With me, I can be the one to turn your life around and never let you down. So please, let me hear you say my name.
Thank you so much for watching. And yes, the conclusion, drumroll please, is I was able to clean my house very well with mainly using the Dollar Tree products, no issues whatsoever. If you are new here, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video before you leave. And I will see you back here soon in a brand new video. Bye.
Coming our way, yeah, yeah.